All right, we're here, waning hours and minutes of the Digital Signage Expo. I managed to grab Vernon Slack, who is the Director of Business Development at AOpen America. We're talking a little bit about digital signage in the digital out-of-home space here, and I wanted to ask him kind of where does AOpen fit into the greater industry ecosystem?
AOpen is basically a manufacturer of media players. So what we do is provide media players and digital engines to the marketplace. We're a bare bones manufacturer, so we sell through the channel, and we allow our customers, the end customer, basically to customize the product how they need it so that it works in their environment the way they want it.
Okay, great. So you guys are actually producing the stuff that's making everything possible here, because media players really are the drivers behind a lot of these things. But this is, as I understand, it's not the only technology that you guys use. Can you talk about some of the other types of technologies that you guys are starting to integrate with your systems?
So, sure. So basically, we see a lot of different trends, and so what we've tried to do is we realize that you can't just sell hardware. You basically have to provide an ecosystem so that the customer basically has a whole solution that they can buy. So what we've done is we've targeted specific content management companies. We've targeted other utility types of companies for doing mobile marketing or marketing to the one. We've targeted providers of installation services and so forth to put together a total solution. And then we've gone out and recruited distributors who distribute and user types of solutions as opposed to just carrying inventory.
Okay, that's a really good idea, and so you guys are actually making this whole thing possible. One of the things our website talks about, as you can see on our mic flag, is all the different types of technologies that kind of come together, and so AOpen plays a very pivotal role in that. What are some of the verticals that are commonly using your products, and what are some of the kind of the places you focus on for the applications of the technology?
Sure. The big one is retail. Okay. And so, you know, even in the industry, probably for digital signage, it represents 53% of the opportunities. It's a big opportunity for us. After retail, it's a toss-up between transportation, healthcare, and government and education. So if we look at the retail solutions, we're powering the traditional digital signs that you see up there, whether they be menu boards in a QSR restaurant or whether they be signs that are spaced throughout a retailer's environment or a digital wall, those kinds of things. But what we've also done is powered beyond those digital signs to provide solutions that do proximity marketing and actually send data to a mobile phone that's owned by a customer. The other things that we do outside of retail is in transportation. We power 70% of the digital signs for arrivals and departures at the airports. We also in healthcare do things for patient care, for bringing the mobile data devices into the rooms. They're powered by our engines.
That's a really, really good point. So listen, Vern, I really appreciate everything and the time you would take for us. Good luck, and have a safe trip home, actually.